Hello dear viewers, how do you do? Hope you are fine. Today's topic is punctuation of English second paper. Now let's start punctuation. Punctuation. I have written it in 4 angles: serial, mark or sign, symbol, and example. Number 1, full stop, sign, stop. After a complete sentence, we have to use full stop. For example, he is a student means he is a learner. It is a complete sentence or complete sentiment. So, we have to use here full stop, and we have to stop fully here. Number 2, comma, sign, comma. Mita, Rita and Gita are friends. Here, when we find more than 2 same kind of name of person, place or thing, there we have to use comma. We have to use comma. Mita, comma, Rita and Gita are friends. Number 3, apostrophe comma means upper comma, sign. Tom's pen means a pen is belong to Tom. Possessive case. In possessive case, we have to use apostrophe comma. Number 4, inverted comma. We find it in direct narration. The main speech of the speaker in direct narration is with inverted comma. Example, Johnny said to Bonnie, "How are you?" Here, "How are you" is the main sentence of the speaker Johnny. So, we have to use here inverted comma. Number 5, colon, sign. We know that in dialogue writing, we use colon. Bonnie, colon, "What's your name?" Bonnie said, "What's your name?" Number 6, semicolon, sign. United we stand, divided we fall. When 2 sentences or 2 clauses are in opposite meaning, opposite sentiment, then we have to use semicolon between 2 clauses or 2 sentences. Number 7, colon dash sign. When a classification or diagram is needed to narrate, we will have to use colon dash. For example, articles are 3, a, and the. Number 8, note of interrogation sign. In interrogative sentence or question structure, we have to use interrogative sign or note of interrogation or question mark. For example, "What's your name?" question mark or note of interrogation. Number 9, note of exclamation sign. In the expression of exclamation, we have to use exclamatory sign or note of exclamation. For example, "How beautiful you are!" exclamatory sign. 10, hyphen sign. Mother-in-law, it is called compound noun. Here we find hyphen. It is derived from different kind of parts of a speech. Here we have to use hyphen. Dash sign. For example, "I have lost all dash pen, pencil, eraser." Here, when the expression is needed to narrate, There we have to use dash. I have lost all. What have I lost? Dash. Pen, pencil, eraser. Number 12. Bracket sign. For example, I have lost all. Within bracket, pen, pencil, eraser. We know that when a word or a phrase or a sentence is less important, there we should write and we must write it within bracket. Well, dear viewers, if you are benefited with my videos, please like, comment, share and do subscribe for more educational videos, and please click the bell icon for notification. Okay, thank you.